Welcome to the channel, My Wallet Hurts. I'm your host, Tim. I'm a little under the weather, so I sound a little different. I apologize for that. Today on the channel, we are opening a box up of Leaf 3-point play basketball. You get one factory sealed box of 2023 Leaf Optichrome basketball, one factory sealed box of 2023 Leaf Vivid basketball, and one hand-signed full-size basketball. I got this through David Adams, and I got it on the Black Friday special. So let's open it up and see what we have inside. It is definitely well taped. You can get a variety of autographed basketball players. The Chase one in it mainly is Jordan. Somebody has that. Shaquille O'Neal, Dennis Rodman. Here's our boxes of Optichrome and Vivid. And let's see who our autographed basketball is of. Comes of Tyler Hero. It is JSA authenticated. Very nice. Tyler Hero. I would have never guessed that from his signature, but interesting. All right. Let's crack open our boxes and see what we have here. Let's do Leaf Optichrome first. There are 6 autograph cards per box. These were on sale at David Adams. They were Black Friday special. They were at $79. You get 6 cards. You can get dual signatures. Let's give it a crack and see what we got. I keep bumping this. Okay, our first autograph is Ryan Rollins. This is his Leaf Optichrome rookie card. Ryan Rollins. Ooh, and that one's numbered 4 out of 5. That one is numbered 4 out of 5. And our next one is Ron Harper Jr. Nice. This is like crystallized. Ron Harper Jr. Optichrome. Oh, and this one's numbered 1 of 3. Very nice. Ron Harper Jr. 1 of 3. It's a very nice card. And that's kind of sticking there. Our next autograph, Ryan Howard. Ryan Howard. Optichrome. So money. Ryan Howard. So money. And that is numbered 3 of 4. That is numbered 3 of 4. And we have Dylan Harper. Dylan Harper. I believe he's expected to be the number 2 draft pick. I've been kind of following him. I got an autograph of him in Trinity, Leaf Trinity box, and Yeah. And this one's numbered 4 out of 5. Dylan Harper. I believe he's like the number 2 prospect in the nation. Oh. That's interesting. We are looking at Mr. Coffee Cockburn. Coffee Cockburn. It's like a pink ice fractal type of design. And that is number 3 of 5 as well. And the last card for Optichrome. Oh. High school phenoms. Mateus Buzelis. Buzelis. Mateus Buzelis. Kind of got like a purple refractor type to it. And that is also numbered 1 out of 3. So there you go. I'd say, me personally, it was a pretty good box. I like that. The Dylan Harper's nice. The Ron Harper's nice. I do like their designs. I know they're not licensed. Some people will only swear by licensed cards. And that's fine. That's your choice. That's what this hobby's about. Collecting what you like. You just don't have to go with whatever the crowd says. Hobby's big enough for everybody to have their likes and dislikes. And let's open up a box of Leaf Vivid Basketball. 6 autograph cards per box in here. Let's see if we can get a dual auto. That'd be nice. They have them on the box cover, so. Somebody asked me to break some basketball, so that's what I'm doing. Breaking some basketball. You can find Stephen Curry in these. He's in these. Giannis. He's in it as well. Ugh. And I just keep bumping this. Our first autograph. Dalen Terry. And this is number 24 out of 35. Dalen Terry. Our next autograph is Muhammad Gai. And that is numbered 36 out of 40. And our next gentleman, Cameron McGusty. And that is numbered 5 out of 15. And our Vivid Technicolor, Trevor Keels. And that is numbered 16 out of 20. Trevor Keels, Technicolor. And, oh, still a couple more yet. Mike Miles. Very nice, clean signature. Mike Miles. And he is numbered 2 out of 40. Mike Miles. And the last card in the box, Mateus Buzelis. I just got him in that other box of Optichrome. And that is numbered 5 out of 15. Mateus Buzelis. And there you have it. Thanks for checking out the channel. Thanks for taking time out of your day to watch my video. Hope you have a great day. Stay healthy. Get some vitamin C in you. Plenty of fluids if you are sick. Rest up. That way you can start breaking your boxes and adding something to your PC. So make sure you leave a comment down below, a like, a dislike. If you haven't subscribed, check out the channel. Hope you have a great day, and we'll catch you later. Thanks for watching.